Hello everyone, my name is Cameron and this is my music education technology app review. The app that I chose is GarageBand. There's the URL or link if you're interested in visiting that page. But just a little bit about GarageBand. So GarageBand is a fully equipped music creation studio right inside your Mac with a complete sound library that includes instruments, presets for guitar and voice, and an incredible selection of session drummers and percussionists. With touch bar features for MacBook Pro and intuitive modern design, it's easy to learn, play, record, create, and share your hits worldwide. Now you're ready to make music like a pro. So we're actually going to watch some videos about how it's used and some of the creations that you can make. So for that one, you can dream with drummers of every style. So you can select a drummer, just like here on the bottom, and each one's got their own different style, and you can kind of create your own music. This next one's for like EDM and hip hop and things like that. You can create a different style to that type of music. So there's a lot of great things that you can do with it. So much creativity at play. So many different things for so many different types of people. My evaluation. When first introducing GarageBand in 2004, Steve Jobs read a survey stating that one half of the U.S. households have at least one person who currently plays a music instrument. While it sounded like an inflated number at the time, over the last decade, GarageBand has undoubtedly bolstered its veracity. And with this mobile versions of the program gaining popularity since their debut in 2011, the software has bred an entirely new category of musician that jams on smart instruments, posts finger tapping iPad drum solos on YouTube, and creates multi-touch piano melodies on the subway. As a result, GarageBand is the most clickable and widespread DAW in history, a fact that subsequently added a whole new layer to the modern sound palette. So even the GarageBand that is not for everyone, its democratic ideals are universal. So some integrations that you could definitely use this app for. So I would definitely use this in the classroom because it is a lot of fun and it really allows the students to be creative and to create music. I would integrate this by having the students get into groups and create a song together. Then as a class, we would listen to them and vote on the winner. You could also have your classes create a song for a school dance and have the school vote on the song they want to hear at the dance. I just think this app is inspiring and allows students to edit and create music that would never have been a possibility before this app. Thank you so much.